Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Ashraf Fuad bin Kamar Zaman, number matric 302576. I will present about the joy of badminton as a leisure activity. Good morning everyone. Today I excited to talk about badminton is a good game to play during free time. For introduction, badminton is one of the most popular sport in the world, especially in ASEAN countries such as Malaysia, Indonesia, and China. It is not only played professionally but is also a favorite recreation activity among people of all age. This game requires skill, agility, physical endurance, and strategic thinking. Besides promoting physical fitness, badminton also helps develop teamwork, discipline, and a competitive spirit among players. Therefore, badminton is more than just a form of entertainment. It is also an important way to encourage a healthy and balanced lifestyle.
Assalamualaikum. I present the enjoy of volleyball as a leisure activity. Good morning everyone. Today I am excited to talk about volleyball as a great leisure activity. Volleyball is a fun and energetic sport that can be played by people of all ages. It is not only a competitive sport but also as a leisure activity that promotes fitness and teamwork. Whether played on the beach, in a gym, or in your backyard, volleyball is a sport that brings people together and provides numerous benefits.
Next, what is badminton? Badminton is a racket sport played with a shuttlecock and a net. Second, can be played a single 1 versus 1 or double 2 versus 2. Third, player use racket to hit the shuttlecock back and front over the net. 4. The goal is to land the shuttlecock in the opponent court or make them miss. 5. Requirement speed, agility, quick reflex, and good head-eye coordination. 6. Played recreationally and professionally, also an Olympic sport. 7. Usually play indoor, but can be played outdoor casually. 8. Good for physical fitness, stamina, and mental focus.
What is volleyball? Volleyball a team sport with a ball over a net. Two teams of 6 players each try to score points by hitting the ball over the nets. The game is won by the team that reaches the required point first. Usually best of 3 or 5 sets. Can be played indoor, on the beach, or casually with friends. It is an Olympic sport and one of the most popular team sport worldwide.
Then, why badminton is a great leisure activity? First, keep your activity. Help improvement stamina, flexibility, and overall fitness in a fun way. Second, fun and enjoyable. Easy to learn and can be played casually with friends and family. 3. Suitable for all age. Kids, teen, adult, and even senior can enjoy the game at their own pace. 4. Affordable. Required minimal equipment, just racket, shuttlecock, and a net. 5. Flexible location. Can be played indoor or outdoor, like a park or backyard. 6. improve mental health, reduce stress, boost mood, and sharper focus and reflex. 7. Build social bond. Great way to spend quality time and strengthen relationship. 8. Short or long game. You can play quick match or longer season, depend on your schedule.
Why volleyball is a great leisure activity? Firstly, fun engaging, keep play active, and internet allowing them to enjoy the game while improving their skill. 2. Improve fitness. Can help with cardio, strength, and flexibility, making it a great way to stay healthy. And 3. The last is social interaction. Encourages teamwork, communication, and bonding among players, making it ideal for social gathering.
Okay, what health benefit of playing badminton? First, improve healthy. Playing badminton get your heart pumping and improve blood circulation. Second, boost physical fitness, build endurance, strength, muscle, and improve flexibility. Third, increase reflex and agility. Quick improvement or movement help improve reaction time and body coordination. 4. Burn calorie. A fun way to lose weight and stay in shape.
Health of volleyball. Firstly, cardiovascular health. Keep the heart healthy by improving circulation and endurance. 2. Strength muscle. Work on arm, shoulder, and core muscle.
And how to get started with badminton? First, get the basic equipment such as racket, shuttlecock, proper non-slip sport shoes. Racket, lightweight, beginner friendly. Shuttlecock, plastic or feathered. Second, find a place to play. Community hall, sport center, school gym, or even a park for casual game, such as some place offer court for rain by the house. Third, learn the basic. Watch beginner tutorial online. YouTube has plenty. Practice basic shot, serve, clear, drop, smash. Learn footwork and how to hold the racket correctly. 4. Play with friend or family. Great way to practice in a fun, casual setting. You don't need to be perfect, just enjoy the game. Join a club or group. Search for local badminton club or community group. Many welcome beginner and offer coaching season.
How to get started with volleyball? First, join a local club or school team. And 2. Play casually at the park or beach. And the last is a watch tutorial or take a basic coaching.
And the last, for conclusion, badminton is one of the best sports to enjoy during our free time. It is fun, easy to learn, and suitable for people of all age. Not only does it help you stay active and healthy, but it also strengthens our social bond with family and friends. Whether play indoor or outdoor, badminton is a great way to relax, reduce stress, and improve our overall well-being with so many benefits. It is so surprised the badminton remains a popular and enjoyable leisure activity for everyone. Thank you.
In conclusion, Volleyball is not just a sport, it's a fun, healthy, and social activity that benefit both the body and mind. Whether you play for competition or just for fun, volleyball improves fitness, encourages teamwork, and help release stress. It is one of the best leisure activities that you can enjoy with friends, family, or even strangers who share a love for the game. Thank you.